Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing curry steamed fish. Here I have all my natural seasoning already cleaned up and cut. Irish, carrot, onion, sweet pepper, scallion, okra, hot pepper, garlic and a piece of thyme. Now my fish is already washed and cleaned up. I also give it some cut on it so that the season can soak in the fish. Now I'm going to season my fish with some mixed season that I mixed together. Adding a little fish seasoning. Then mix it in. Here, my fish finally finished seasoning. Now I have a pot on the stove on low heat. Now I'm going to add some oil to burn my curry. Now my curry and garlic is burning in the oil. Make sure your curry burn properly. Now I add in my natural season, stirring it a bit. Then leave it for a minute or two. Now I'm going to add some coconut milk. Then I'm going to add my Irish potato. Then turn up the heat on it on high heat and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's 20 minutes. Now for taste, I'm going to add some cock soup. Not going to put any salt in it. And I'm going to add a little more of the mixed seasoning. Then stir it in. Add a piece of thyme. A piece of butter. Now I'm going to add my okra and stir it in. Now I'm going to put in my fish. Now I'm going to take out the juice and pour it all over the fish so that it can soak inside the fish. Pour it all over. Make sure you cover the fish with it. There. And now I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes. There, after 10 minutes, I'm giving it a turn. And there. Now I'm going to leave it for about a next 3 to 4 minutes and then it is finished. And I will plate it and show you how my steamed fish curry steamed fish look like. There. my curry steamed fish and rice and peas. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Please help me to get to 1,000.